Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to control fan speed on Acer Nitro 5. First, make sure your Acer Nitro 5 is turned on. Now look at the keyboard and find the NitroSense key. It has a small N logo on it. Press this key to open the NitroSense. When the NitroSense window is open, you will see information about your laptop like CPU and GPU temperature. Look for the fan control center. Here you will see options that say auto, max and fan speed. If you select auto, then laptop control the fan speed itself. This is good for normal user. If you select max, the fan will run at full speed. This helps lower temperature when gaming, but the fan will be louder. Some Acer Nitro 5 model also has custom fan control. If you see this option, you can manually adjust the fan speed using a slider. After choosing the fan speed you want, you can close the NitroSense. Your fan setting will stay active while you use the laptop. If your laptop gets hot often, always keep it on flat surface and make sure the air vents are not blocked. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.